In this video today, I will show you how to lock your Samsung S24, S25 screen while watching a video in order to prevent from accidental touch or touch from your kids. So for this one, we will go to at first settings. Then I will go to the option accessibility. Select interaction and dexterity. Select this option interaction control. Enable this option interaction control shortcut. Select turn off. Now tap on this option here. You have two ways by which you can activate this option. Either press side and volume up buttons, or you have to press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So I will select the first one. And once I do it, what I will do is I will go ahead and open YouTube, and then I will play any video. After that, what I will do is I will press this volume up button and side button for few seconds and then leave it. Now either you can select an area which you can lock, or else I will select this option block whole screen and then done. Now once it is done, you can see the screen is locked, so when you touch it, nothing happens. So if you have to play this video, then you have to use Bixby. So Bixby is voice assistant program in Samsung. So what I will say is, hi Bixby, play the video. And you can see the video is played. And if anyone touch also, then nothing will happen. And if you have to disable this option, again press the volume up and side button for few seconds and then leave it. After that, select this option block whole screen and deactivate it, and then done. Now once you do it, you can see the touch is again activated. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.